Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix ChargePoint app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the ChargePoint app. If it's not work for you, then you have to follow these steps. So here I will just press and hold it here. Then here you have to click on this I button. Okay. Then you have to go at last and click on this storage button. Then click on this clear data option and open it. If it's worked, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to follow these steps. So you have to do same. Just press and hold it here. Click on this button. Scroll at last, and you will see your option app details and store. So when you will just click on there, it will redirect to your Google Play Store. Just click on there. So after here, you have to click on the update here, and it will work. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe. So bye.